All right, so that was the St. Mary High School Band with a great medley for us. But as we continue to celebrate Child Month, she's been baking since she was 9 years old. And she has somewhat become a master at it. Yeah, we're talking about young baker Dejanay Henry and her mother, the other Dahlia McDonald, joins me now. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Dejanay, when did you discover this love for baking?
Well, my mother introduced me.
No, Dejanay, I know when me hear you at school and talk, me hear you.
My mother introduced me to it.
Yeah.
And she said that she used to bake when she was younger, and she gave me this opportunity to start baking.
Oh, so mommy start teach you what to do and so on. What's your favorite thing to bake?
Cookies.
Cookies? Why?
Because it's easy. You can decorate it any way you want.
Yeah.
And you can put chocolate chip in it, which is my favorite.
Well, from chocolate going out there, you know, so that's that. So all the things here on this table, you bake them? So how often do you bake? You bake every week? How do you decide when I'm going to bake?
I decide when I'm going to bake when I feel like I want to bake. Like on Sundays, I bake anything that my mother says that she wants us to bake.
She must pay you. She must pay you. So mommy get up on a Sunday and say, Dejanay, this is what I feel like. So can you go and bake it? Are you going to bake it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you bake for your friends at school?
I give them when I bake on Sunday.
You give them when you bake on Sunday?
I used to go to Sunday school.
And carry pastry? Oh, Lord, church must love you when them see you. Oh my gosh. But Dahlia, talk to me about this. Why introduce her to baking?
All right, as she said, it's something that I love. And for me, it's a bonding moment. So I don't necessarily get a lot of time with her in the week, as you can understand, a working mother. So during the week, I don't have a lot of time. So I was trying to come up with ways for us, because I normally try to do little things with her on weekends when I do get the time, even outside of the chores. And so I decided, why not bake? Because I like sweets. I have a sweet tooth, and I like baking. Baking is one of those therapeutic things that you do, whether I'm happy or sad, or I'm celebrating, whatever it is.
Is this a generational thing? Who taught you to bake?
Well, my mother is the type to do the traditional. Mommy loves the potato pudding. Yeah, she normally does the potato pudding on a regular basis.
Yeah. Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah,
yes,
in the middle.
Very much so. But for me, I am more of the items you see here, more of the cookie and the cupcakes and all of those things. So it was really our bonding time, and I found that outside of bonding, it allowed me to teach her a lot of things, to include timing, because at that point in time I was trying to introduce her to the not the digital but the analog clock, because the schools now would teach them how to read it. Right. So even when she's baking, I'd say to her, look on the clock on the wall and see how many minutes, and then you can come back and tell me.
It's interesting. It's interesting that you said that, because yesterday I was talking to Matthew about his music and just how much the music was helping him academically. And I believe that, as you just said, the baking is something that can help her to develop certain attitudes and principles. So let's talk about what we are about to eat here, Dejanay. First, let's start with the cake. What kind of cake is that?
It's banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread. All right. I want to ask you how it makes. Because I can't bake. Only pudding. I can do pudding. But
the main ingredient is banana.
The main ingredient is banana. That's it. Is it banana and bread, or you turn it into the bread?
Banana bread. You turn it
into the bread.
Yes.
I don't have to ask what kind of cookie is this.
Don't even have to ask. You can see it.
Can see it, the chocolate chip.
Right.
I literally see the chocolate, so I know that's it. Talk to me about the muffins.
The muffin? The best.
Them good? Good? It's blueberry muffin? What kind of?
I suggest you try this one.
Cause whole heap of blueberry in this one. Tell me, this is what? Is wheat blueberry or what kind of blueberry?
Just regular blueberry.
Regular blueberry.
Yes.
I eat it. Them I say I can't talk. I eat it. I soon eat it. So is this something that you want to do in the future?
Yes. I want to start a bakery with my mom.
You want to start a bakery with your mom? You want mama to put in the money, or you think mom can bake too?
Mom can bake.
Mom can bake too? I like it.
I like how she doesn't only see me as a cash cow.
Yes. I was about to say. But is this something that you would also encourage in her daily?
Yes.
Yeah, because she seems to be that good.
Let me tell you, even outside of us baking on Sundays, I was home for a week. I was ill for a week, so I was home. And she made her buns for burgers on her own. Like she just
burger
the recipe,
bun?
yes, and she made it from scratch. So even outside of us baking, there are times when she just wants something, like even a pizza, because she can't really have milk, she can't have cheese, so I have to get the non-dairy products for her. So I can't really go out to the regular pizza places to get her pizza. So because she likes the whole idea of pizza, she basically went and did her own research and made pizza on her own. Yes.
What you saying? At 11? What's the most exciting thing you've ever made? Like you wake up and say, you know, I'm going to make this, and you made it.
I have it. Ice cream.
You made ice cream? No, Dijon, me come over your house now. This is serious. But where does she get this? It's almost fearless. It's almost like, this is what I'm
And believe you me, this is something else that she would have learned through the whole baking process. Because when we started, I didn't usually, record. But then I made a video, posted it on my WhatsApp. And my friends said, this is something that you can do, because they were entertained by it on Sunday. And then they encouraged us to go to the IG page. She is a little bit shy. She's one of those persons who, she was. Yeah. She was one of those persons who, I really couldn't push her to do certain things because she was a shy type. But then in doing this, like I'd allow her
probably
sometimes
from Daddy, but that's another conversation.
I know, right? I asked her, sometimes to do the intro and the outro to the video. And so that kind of brought out the personality. So there you go. That's another aspect of the whole mommy and me baking time.
That's excellent, guys. Yay, listen. At Sweet Treats with a Z, with Jojo, make sure you go and check it out. And when Jojo is in Paris selling her pastry, you will say you knew Dijon Henry on Smile Jamaica. Thank you so much for being with us. Young baker Dijon Henry and her mom, I call her Lady D, Lady Dahlia McDonald, will soon come.